Welcome to the first video where we look at strange genetic situations. I will be focusing on codominance. Codominance is where we have more than one allele seen in our heterozygote. For example, if it had a red allele and a white allele, then you could see both of these in the heterozygote. It could either be pink or red and white striped. Now here is a sample question. Red and white alleles are codominant. The question is telling us this, so that we know already. Calculate the phenotype ratio in the F2 generation, otherwise known as the grandchildren. There's no easy way to work out the grandchildren. We have to start off by calculating what the children look like. We're going to need a Punnett Square. Before we do that, we need to know what alleles we have. We always use the same letter for the same gene. We're talking about flower colour, so I'm going to call these two alleles colour. Now there are two versions. They're both dominant, so big C's equals a red allele, giving us red flowers if there's two of them, and this equals our white allele. Oops, I need to add some more here. That looks a little bit better. We know our parents. Red and white flowers are first crossed. Since the flower is red, we know it has two red alleles. The second flower is white. It has two white alleles. All C's because we're talking flower colour. We simply do the cross and fill this in, and there is the first part of our answer. However, the question stated F2 generation, grandchildren. We've worked out F1, the children. To get to the answer to this question, we now have to breed two of these together. Both of the F1 generation were pink. They had a red allele and a white allele. So to breed these together to get the second generation, individual one here, a red and a white allele, individual two here, we fill in the Punnett Square, and when we look at this, we have one red individual here, we have one white individual here, and the other two individuals are pink. So to summarize this, we have one red, two pink, and one white. The question asked for phenotype ratio. This is our phenotype ratio. There's one other hint you can use to tell if it's a codominance question. As you see in the colors here, there are three possible outcomes whenever we have codominance.